Good morning, children. Today I am going to take you to a place where you see great performances. That's the Grand Hall. Come on, let's go inside. Hello, children. Do you recognize this place? This stage. This is where you all performed in junior KG and nursery on the annual day. A stage is where great artists perform in front of the audience. Do you know a stage is very important in the life of a performing artist? Are you all wondering why is teacher talking about a stage? Yes, well, that's because I am going to talk about performing arts today. Are you all ready? Performing arts is a form of art in which artists use their voices, bodies, or objects to convey their artistic expression. Performing arts are performed in front of a live audience. It can be held in a theatre, auditorium, and opera houses. It can also be held on open air stages and tents. What is performing arts? Let's look at it. Let's meet the performing artists. The first performing artist is an actor. An actor is a person whose profession is acting in movies or television. Let's meet her. This is Alia Bhatt. She is a performing artist. She is an Indian actor. Have you seen her movies? She has acted in more than 50 movies. She uses her acting skills to convey the story of the movies that she stars in. Let's take a look at her performances. The next performing artist is a singer. A singer is who sings professionally. It can be in front of the audience or singing for a movie. That is playback singing. Let's meet her.
Hello children, very good evening to you. My name is Veena Iyer. I love singing and I can sing anywhere, anytime without feeling shy or conscious. So I'm going to just sing one of my favorite songs to you. I hope you enjoy it, and this is how it is. ओ लाल मेरी बत रखियो भला झूले लालण सिंधड़ी दा सेवण दा सखी शाबाश कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दा पहला नंबर ओ लाल मेरी ओ लाल मेरी.
Our next performing artist is a dancer. A dancer is who dances professionally. In dance, the artist uses his or her body movements to express. Today we have two dancers.
Hi everyone, my name is Sherwin Parakil. I'm a performing artist. I love dancing and dancing is my passion. I've done a large number of events and live shows in front of a huge number of audience. I have won many national level dance competitions while representing my college. I love making dance videos and posting them on the internet as well. Here's a small clip of me dancing. Hope you like it.
Move your body now, shake your body now. Balka ke lehra ke hit party now. Tujhe seene se main apne laga do, tujhe baahon mein chupka lo. Come closer to my body now. Dhadkan बढ़ गई, सांसें चढ़ गई. हंसी एक लड़की से मेरी आज नजर जो लड़ गई. सब नाल कर ले party, थोड़ी तो लगती है naughty.
Hi friends, I am Siona Parakal. When I grow up, I want to be a performing artist, a Bharatanatyam dancer. I am training in Bharatanatyam and I have also performed in many shows. My most favorite one is where I have performed in an international music album. Take a look.
The next performing artist is a mime artist. Miming is an act where the artist uses facial expression and gestures to convey a message. Put your hands together for the next performing artist, a magician. A magician is a person who has the skills to manipulate our thoughts and create things that look bizarre.
And we fold it into a nice little funnel, a funny little funnel, like this. Then, we take the juice and we put... No, that is not how we do it. We don't take the... First, we take the cup and we put the cup in. And then... No, I'm so sorry. How embarrassing. I'm still learning this trick. We don't take the cup first. We do take the juice first. And we pour the juice into the newspaper. And, oh my gosh. And then we get the juice in. Well, the idea is to somehow get the juice into the cup. We do put the cup in the newspaper. Oh, I hope it's not too late because the juice is already in the... Well, in any case, the object is to get the juice into the cup using the newspaper, and I guess we've done it, so, it seems to have worked.
The last performing artist for the day is a theatre artist. A theatre artist uses his or her acting skills to perform in front of a live audience, just like our annual day.
Hi, my name is Prasad. Can you guess that one profession that allows you to become a detective in the morning and a Mena the next? Hanuman one day and a crocodile saving policeman the other. The profession is that of an actor. As an actor, you can be one thing in the morning and another by the end of the day. I am an actor. And if that is not cool, then go get some ice. I love being on stage and becoming someone else to tell their story to my audience. The stage gives you a lot of energy. But in order to become a decent enough actor, you have to study a lot and do a lot of research. How else can you convince your audience that you're a doctor or even Iron Man? So, will I see a whole lot of you on stage or on television in the future? If you said yes, get back to learning those numbers right away. See you.
Let's meet the budding artists of CNS. Let's clap for all the performing artists.